Hey guys, just about ready to install the 3/4 Whipple, and I thought I would try to ceramic coat it before I put it on. It's going to be way easier to do it when it's out. Maybe it'll help keep it cleaner, I don't know, but we're going to try to do it anyways. We're also going to do these nice Billet Pro Shop fuel rails while I'm at it. So I'm going to use some Wipeout surface cleaner spray from Chemical Guys and also some hydrocharged ceramic spray coating from them as well. Anyways, we're going to see how it goes. Okay guys, so I got the parts cleaned with the Wipeout spray. Turned out pretty nice. Now I'm going to use the hydrocharge on the blue towel, and then I'm going to remove it with the purple towel.
Is the snowblower on a blanket?
Yes. Oh, thanks. You're on camera.
Why am I on camera?
I'm making a movie.
Oh.
Love you too. Sweet buffing snack. Hey guys, so got the blower all finished. Looks awesome. Looks wet almost. It's shiny. Hopefully it stays that way. Time will tell. I also forgot to do the blower pulley, so I did that after. I've also made sure not to ceramic coat the rib section, just the face and the spokes on the inside. And now onto the rails. Okay guys, so I got one of these done, the one with the tape on it, and I wanted to see if I could try to show you the difference between coated and uncoated on the finish. You can see this one is kind of hazy from the Wipeout spray, but this one, nice. I don't know if you could tell the difference. Anyways, the top one's been ceramic coated and the bottom one hasn't. Look pretty good to me. Okay guys, just gonna wrap up the video. Supercharger and rails are ceramic coated. I think it turned out pretty good, but only time will tell. Also, this went so good, I think I'm actually gonna do my valve covers while my intake and system are off. So I'll let you know how that goes, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.